Hello everyone, here this is the voice of Femi from femtotech.com. So today I'm going to teach you on how you can shop from Gearbest to Nigeria, how you can get items from here and get it delivered to you in Nigeria. So this is the platform of Gearbest, which is one of the top Chinese e-commerce website that sells different items from smartphones to gadgets to toys and different kind of items. And some of these items are super amazing because they comes with discounts and other mind-blowing features. So you can also get unpopular brand smartphones here on Gearbest because they are available here for you. So to get started, you have to sign up account with them, which I already believe you already have. So with that, I'm going to shop an item here. I'm going for the Go Common Power charger adapter, which is just $7.76 here on Gearbest. Compared to the one you see in Nigeria, this is the same item on Gearbest, which goes for 3,659. If you convert 7.76 to Naira is 2,801. That means you are saving up to 800 and something to get this item. So now to get started, after you already search for your items and or you already try to make sure that you read review concerning the product before you shop to, because hardly will you return this item. So make sure you read review and other related info concerning any item you want to buy on this platform. So now with that, you're going to click on buy now. When you click on buy now, it's going to take you to this interface, to the checkout point. So here I want to assume you already put your chip information, which is your location, your address, your info and everything. So here on Gearbest, you can see that my shipping option, there have several options to choose. If I want unregistered handmade or something, or I want expected shipping date, I want it faster, I can use DHL or EMS or other. But the problem is I have to pay very big amount. Imagine paying 112 for just item of $7. So this is so crazy. So now I'm going for this, which is just $0.22. Though there are some items whereby the seller won't charge you for shipping. So it depends on the seller, depends on the package you are getting. So now I'm going for this, which you have to click on, you have to select it, and if you have coupon code you can use, if you have GB points you can use. So I have some GB points with me which I want to apply. I can get discounts of 2.32, so I have this. So now with the GB points, my total amount for the package have been reduced to 5.266. So you can see that you can get a lot of amazing offer here. So now with that, you have to click on place your order. Yeah, click on place an order, then it will take you to the payment interface, which is the payment gateway. So here on Gearbest, you can see that you have to pay through PayPal or use other option. Well, for example, if you are paying to PayPal, which is very fast, and I noticed that people have issue with PayPal like that, so that's why I created the previous video, which you can watch on how you can create PayPal here in Nigeria and use it to get item from Gearbest. So now with that, assuming you already have your PayPal ready, so just click on pay now. So you can see your payment is being processed. Then it's going to take you to PayPal platform, which you have to sign in or log in. Okay, it's processing. So I'm to sign in. So you can see that I just input my info because my PayPal has been integrated to my bank account, so I don't really need to stress myself up in paying to PayPal. So I'm to pay $5.66 for this charger, which is 3 amps charger, which is pretty fast. So now click on pay now. So you can see that it is successful. You can say we appreciate your shopping, your order has been paid successful. You can see that it's so successful. And from this you can get your item directly through custom sorry from this you can get your item through the postal service, which you just have to wait for them to ship it to you, the nearest postal service close to you. After then the postal service will do what, will contact you, and through that you get the item. So I'll be waiting for this item to get delivered, and once it's delivered I'm going to do another video for you to see that the items have been delivered. So guys, this is how you can go about shopping item on Gearbest. It's very simple for you to do. In fact, very simple, just like shopping from what they call from Jumia, Konga, and the rest. So guys, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification button so you can get the notification bell so you can get notified when there's a new video. All right, see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to be awesome. See ya.